Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Yay guys, indaba yasemzumbe ayingenwa. Hayibo. So Utobile posted these cute pictures, guys, and I'm just looking at Umusa and Utobile looking all lovey-dovey there. I'm just like, Aibo, Umusa, was he not the one who was annoyed at Utobile for coming late? Was he not the one in the diary session? Okay, fine, diary sessions are short after that, but he still looked annoyed at when she came in late. But yeah, they are lovey-dovey. Aibo, labantu bazosixabanisa, guys, ngento engekho nje. Anyway, she posted these cute pictures, you guys, and she said, she captioned it, "Dear Mdeni wami," with heart emojis. Now, when I was going through the pictures, fine, Umtombeni is there, how Tata Mbali is there, okay. Next thing, Mbali's son is there. Ooh, is it Simpiwe Kamalike? Simpiwe is there, how the MC is there. Nithi how? Kodwa Makhumalo, nomndeni wakho wayingathi awuphelele, because there's two wives abashodayo lana in these pictures. Someone said, hey, this caption is spicy. And it is spicy, guys, especially if you're going to say dear Mdeni wami, and you know which not everyone is in those pictures. Now, obviously, it's no secret, guys, ukuthi Utobile benomayeni abazwani. And this recent season, we've seen Umakhumalo and Umacele, they don't get along. So it is kind of understandable. Like, I mean, if you don't get along with people, why would you be forcing pictures? To even with the ones we don't get along with. Mrs. Epatin, guys, sijabula over. We take pictures with everyone. So that's why some of us are surprised. Where's the picture with Umayen? I'm sure Umayen, guys, she uye wadla lapayana and left wayo shabeni, guys. So it's understandable, you guys, but other people are just like, how? At the end of the day, guys, when you grow older, you choose your time wisely. You understand that there's people you are not going to get along with very well. And it's not to say you hate the people or anything, or you wish them evil, or you don't wish them well. It's to say, would you fine? We will respect one another's spaces, but it's okay sometimes ukungazwani nabanye abantu, guys. I think that's the fairy tale world that Umusa wants all these wives to live in, that they must love happily ever after. Season 1 leyo ndaba. These wives are tired of pretending. I mean, they've got a lot on their plate, and I think it's quite okay to not want to put in an effort to take a picture with the person. So I don't think it's that deep, but I guess Tobile is saying this is the people that I consider as umndeni wami. Abanye current, you guys. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.